All right, so we got this little project lined up today. This fat RV. We're gonna paint up there on the roof line. It's been repaired, replaced, and then repaired at some point. Should be metallic black. I think the color's not showing up, but it's just black. We're gonna put some work into this thing, get her fixed up, bring you along for the ride. Normally there'd be 2 or 3 of us for that, but it was just me today, so took forever. That's all right, got her done. So I just wanted to give a peek upstairs here. Well, I guess it's better to be rain and not snow. So, trying to keep a good perspective. But looks like we get another wave of that crap coming in, so I'm gonna haul on this thing and try and seal it. Clean it, seal it. I'm just glad that it didn't wreck my masking job, because that's the biggest part of this whole operation right there. So, all right, here goes nothing. Got it sealed up. So hopefully that sets while it's raining on it again. So we're gonna mix some paint now. We'll paint it, clear it, go home. It's that easy. Sometimes. All right. Well, this is where you just don't really know what to do, because that's moving in pretty fast. Can I get it done? I don't know. So either I sit here for 45 minutes or an hour or 2 hours, or I start cooking and try and do it right now and chance it getting completely demolished by the rain. There's a coach like what I'm working on. Same thing, Superstar. So I don't know what to do, folks. I think I'm gonna at least try and paint it. I think I got 15 minutes, 10 minutes before that rolls in. So, I don't know. Just gonna try it, I guess. That's what I'm saying. No rain at all. I thought I was gonna get hosed, but I didn't. So I'm glad I went ahead and did that. Otherwise I'd still be sitting here waiting for it. So now I gotta wait 15 minutes for that coat to dry, and then I'll clear it. And then we go home. Hopefully. All right, here we go. right, that's all there is to it. Nice and shiny. Color looks good. It's really good, actually. You can see where I pulled that line. Just like that on the other side, so. Now we go home.